Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is inner work. It's time to do that character carving. It's time to make sure we control our furnace, our fire, because you could be a wildfire and then burn up the entire world with one thought. And you may have a right to do that. But I need you to be a fireplace. One that invites people, not even adults, but children that can roast marshmallows or fall asleep right by your campfire, right by your fireplace. And there's no chance that they'll get burnt because you're in full control of your attitude. You're in full control of your emotions. That inner work, you cannot take the old you, the old personality, into the new blessings that you're manifesting. My kings, my queens, the new kingdom. They need a supreme king, a supreme queen that is ready to be able to be at the service of their people. The people have enough issues. They want to be able to trust that their king or the queen have the answers. God brings me ideal situations for my inner healing, to test you. Testing you to let you know those negative thoughts and those negative emotions are not worth holding on to. Replace those with positive thoughts, gratitude. It doesn't say that the situation have changed, but how you react. Now that's where the power is. As I become aware of my weaknesses, I turn them into strengths. I direct my thoughts towards the light and see the positive side of every stage of my life. Darkness turns to courage. Thus, I become stronger and a supreme ruler, which you are. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.